There's nothing quite like a cup of freshly brewed tea, whatever kind of tea it may be, to warm you right up. Sure, it's easy enough to pop a pre-packaged tea bag into a mug and pour hot water from an electric kettle right on top, but there's something extra nice about preparing your beverage in a thoughtfully designed teapot that has your refill ready when you want it. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best teapots in 2023. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 1. Heware Glass Teapot. This glass teapot is handcrafted and made from borosilicate glass, which makes it sturdy and tough against everyday clunks and bangs. If you're a neat freak like us, then you would be happy to know that it is designed with a non-dripping spout. The stainless steel mesh infuser for your loose-leaf tea is removable for easier cleaning, and the teapot is safe to be used, with the microwave as well as both gas and electric stove tops. Just make sure to keep the heat no higher than medium. One of the best parts about glass teapots is that they are dishwasher safe, as long as you use the top rack. Number 2. Iwachu Japanese Cast Iron Teapot. Let's get something out of the way. Good cast iron teapots are expensive, and this Japanese teapot is no exception. In the long run, however, a quality cast iron teapot can last decades, so they are a good investment. And we can assure you this is one of the best cast iron teapots in the world. The company which produces it, Iwachu, has over 120 years of experience in Nambu ironware, and is based in Morioka, located in Iwate Prefecture in Japan. Number 3. Primula Half Moon Teapot. You don't need to spend a lot of money to get a quality teapot. For less than $20, this option by Primula is inexpensive and gets the job done right. It's made of borosilicate glass and then features a plastic handle, lid, and angled cover that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The teapot also has a silicone base to keep it in place on your countertop and a stainless steel mesh filter for proper steeping and prevention of particles getting into your brew. The only con about the filter is that although it's technically removable, it doesn't have a handle to make taking it out easy, so you'll have to get creative or leave it in there until it's cooled down. We also love that the glass design allows you to see how much tea you have left as you drink it, and how easy it is to clean after you're done. Just place it in the dishwasher. Overall, this is an excellent choice for a friend or yourself at a mere price. Number 4. Suika Japanese Tetsubin Cast Iron Teapot. Some people prefer cast iron teapots for their great conductivity and unique aesthetic. If that's you, then we recommend this attractive teapot that comes with an infuser. It's the kind of teapot you'd want to take out to impress guests, and it works well for crowds, as you can easily serve 4 to 6 people at a time thanks to its sizable capacity. Given what it's made out of, it'll probably be the heaviest teapot you own, but the ergonomic handle wrapped with hemp rope makes it easier to maneuver. Plus, the cast iron is stovetop safe, so you could heat the water right in the pot over a small fire if you want. Number 5. Sweejar Royal Teapot. Want something ceramic? This porcelain teapot is worthy of a British-inspired tea time. It brings a level of sophistication with its well-crafted scalloped shape and thin gold rim, plus a touch of modernity given its various attractive color options, including jade and watermelon red. It comes with a stainless steel infuser you can take in and out, and it has room to prepare up to 4 standard cups of teacups, making it a suitable choice for a delicate afternoon tea with friends. When the party's over, you can put the teapot in the dishwasher, but its material makes it easy to clean by hand too. If you're interested in a full tea set, we recommend investing in one from this brand that includes a teapot, teacups, saucers, a cream pitcher, and more for an incredible price. That was our list of the top 5 best teapots in 2023 just for you.